remember when I saw you shout, you really had me going. You had me wanting you and loving you at first sight. Tripping cause you distract me. Truly you make me happy. Wonder if what we have is what you call special. Girl, I'm here to hold you down. Help me now, say it proud. I love you. I love you. My girl. When I'm riding all alone, I'll call you on the phone. I love you. My girl. I love you. Girl, I do adore you. Put no one before you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. And I truly love you. Always thinking of you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. I remember when our love was an 8-track status. Now love is lavish. My girl, she the baddest. Move to a level like we both playing Madden. La 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 la, me and more see me Spanish. Rocks in them rings, yeah, the green be the cabbage. All for my baby like Pampers and Vitals. Girl, you a model, a sign of perfection. One of them, my heart, ain't no need for election. Perfect selection like dunks on a Friday. All I wanna do is take it slow, do it my way. Index down, thumb hold like sign language. It's CEV, so dope like a fiend on some PCP. Make a nigga fall back like a GED. Blow hot, fit wet like escape the heat. How he so hip hop, yeah he R&B. Girl, I do adore you. Put no one before you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. And I truly love you. Always thinking of you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. I just can't leave you alone. I just can't leave you alone. Oh no, I can't. No, baby, can't leave you alone. No, baby, can't leave you alone. Something you do to me. I just can't leave you alone. I just can't leave you alone. I can't. No, baby, can't leave you alone. No, baby, can't leave you alone. You shouldn't be. Girl, I do adore you. Put no one before you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. And I truly love you. Always thinking of you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. Girl, I do adore you. Put no one before you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. And I truly love you. Always thinking of you. You are what you call a beautiful creation. Status on the beat. Another Punch Out production.